So I'm just going to unbox this real quick. This is from Two Birds Design Shop. She sells these cute little stickers now, some of them, and this one's obviously her customized one, but this is some new resins that I'm ready to try, and just a couple of quick glitters. Nothing terribly exciting. Sorry I haven't put anything out this week. We are working on our floors and haven't really been feeling very well, so I haven't gotten to do anything at all. So that's just my thing. So Two Birds Design Shop. That's the group information and whatnot. This purple is called Wildcat. Super bright, pretty fine cut. I ordered from a page the artist resin from CC DIY, Counterculture DIY. I'd like to try this. This is more of a regular resin, a little bit thicker. They have a medium viscosity. And then I also ordered the Fast Set. For my base layers, this should make things go a little bit quicker. I've been wanting to try it and just haven't gotten around to it until now. So, and then this is just a couple more glitters that I ordered. I ordered Dragon Glass, which is a black with a little bit of silver in it, so it should look good under resin. I ordered Marilyn, which is a white. This she sent me as a sample. I believe it is a urethane sealer, which you can apply with your finger to seal layers. So we'll give that a try at some point. I ordered her Shattered Opal because I love these shards of opals, and this one looked like a little bit of a bigger cut than what I had already. So this is one of those that'll work as like a cheat glitter over other colors. And I ordered 2 more purples because I realized that I am like seriously lacking in purples and purpley blues. So I got Basic Indigo and Ursula. So this one's a little darker than this. That is what I got from there. And we're probably going to be doing soon here, hopefully, another purple Milky Way cup using these that are brighter purples, because I really liked the last one I did, but it was a little too it wasn't bright enough for my liking since I didn't have a lot of bright purples. So we're probably going to redo that cup soon, but that is it. Thanks.